Hello, hello, mic check. Can you hear me, guys? Apology, it's my first time in YouTube Live. Hello, hello, mic check. Can you hear me, guys? Apology, it's my first time in YouTube Live. Hello, hello, mic check. Can you hear me, guys? Apology, it's my first time in YouTube Live. Hello, hello, mic check. Can you hear me, guys? Apology, it's my first time in YouTube Live. Hello, hello, mic check. Can you hear me, guys? Apology, it's my first time in YouTube Live. Hello, hello, mic check. Hello, hello, hello. Just have to close this music. It's annoying. Yo, yo, what's up, guys? Shout out to our 7 viewers. And don't forget to share this live stream. Share, guys. Before we start. Let's share this to our group. Share. Copy. Let's wait, guys. I'll just share this link to our group. Time pass, big fan of yours. Thank you, sir. We'll start mapping at around 10 or 10:15. We'll wait if we have another watchers, another viewers. So guys, how was your week? Are you profitable this past week? How was your trade? Kamusta gym, sir? Eto, goods lang. Goods lang, bro. By the way, guys, on this live, I will be speaking Tagalog and English so that everyone could understand well if I'm going to answer a questions ahead. Hey guys, share our live so that we are happy. Everyone is happy. Let's start mapping this first on Euro USD. 10:15. 10:15. Let's start. Let's wait for the others. Can you hear me? Is my voice clear? Since it's my first time to do live session here in YouTube. Hmm. Yes, sir. Thank you, thank you. Okay, guys. Now, 5 more minutes and we'll start charting this Euro USD. For now, let's have this music. You guys, let's start. Others will just come and join our live session today. So, welcome again to our first live mapping or charting here on YouTube. So, looking at this, we are now at this Euro USD pair. Since it is my favorite pair, I'm not trading any indices. I'm just trading EU or GU, and sometimes I look at gold. Hopefully we can get something new from here. Just ask questions, sir. Bro, just ask question and I'll try to answer. Give you my best answer. Let's start at this monthly time frame. Let's look at this monthly time frame. Monthly time frame. Don't have much on looking at this monthly time frame. We are on the downtrend. See this market structure. For this market flow, we have lower highs, creating lower highs here and lower lows. So we might see a more bearish move on the next months. Sir, please stop music. Okay. Okay, bro, let's stop music. Ayan na, sir. Pinatay ko na yung music. Sorry. Monthly time frame, we are on a bearish. Now we are going to daily. So on a daily time frame, we are still on this bullish move, since on our previous charting still we have here this market structure shift on a daily time frame. And then we have here this market flow. So I think that since we have a sweep here in this level of support, okay, let's use this line here. Since here, this one here, level of support here. So we might see a possible bullish move on the next days. We have here this trend line here, trend line. Bearish trend. Then we have a break here. So looking at this, we can say that we have after the price taps this support line, so we've made a market structure shift here. So this was the last liquidity sweep. Then we have here this unmitigated order block or supply. Then trend. Wait a minute. Yeah, this supply. So this has a high probability supply. So since we have this zone, as we can see, if we use this line chart, we have a lot of rejections on this zone. This one. And then after market structure shift, we have a pullback, and then it created this new higher high. A break of structure happened. So the live in YouTube is delayed, I think. We have here this liquidity sweep, because guys, as we can see, we can say that break of structure is valid if we have a liquidity sweep before it breaks. Like here, for example, this one here. This break of structure is valid since we have here this liquidity sweep. Okay, so I think this might have we will have a bullish move since we have already a sweep here and this long wick candle and then this indecision candle. So we might see a bullish move on the following days because we have here also this trend line liquidity. Where is that? Here. You see here this liquidity. We might sweep this and this one also. Hello, Powell. Okay, so this will be on daily time frame. We have an indecision candle. This candle did not close here below this previous day candle, so we won't expect that the market will still go down. So looking at this, we might have a sweep in this previous day high on the next days to come. Let's mark this previous days highs and lows. So now let's go to 4-hour time frame to look for our possible entry or possible point of interest. This is the last liquidity sweep, I think, before going up. So disclaimer again, guys, this is not 100% guaranteed that this will work on the next following days. Okay, next is on the 15-minute time frame. So here, guys, on the 15-minute time frame, we can see, guys, that we have here this market structure shift happen here, or a break of structure, since the market structure happened around this area here. This is the market structure shift. Yes, this is the break of structure. So we can see that the market moves or having a pullback right now. If we are going to look for a bullish move, we can look for a buy setup at this area. We can look for a confirmation around this area, or if the market will took this previous day low, we can look at this next level of demand here below, this unmitigated demand or order blocks, this zone here. There. Because here, guys, you can see that this demand zone is aligned in this 0.786 on the Fibonacci. So we might see a possible pullback at this 0.786, because 618 and 0.786 is the optimal trade entry of ICT. Before, I don't know that what is called on that zone, but a lot of traders or ICT traders using that optimal trade entry. So for you to understand, I also use that term for this. But before, I don't know what is that term used. I just mark this zone here. So we can look at this demand zone for a confirmation entry on the next following days, if I'm right on this. So if the market wants to take another liquidity, it might take this previous day's low to take this next demand before going up. So this is my possible move for EU. Yes, bro, naka-record po ito. Recorded siya, and then I think it will automatically upload on YouTube, I think. But I still don't know, since it's my first time to do live streaming here on YouTube. Okay, guys, so do you have any questions on this EU before we proceed to GU? So you don't have any question, guys. So let's proceed and look at this GU. GU, I already mapped this GU. Okay, let's remove the drawings again. Sir, sa pag-map ng MSS, lagi po bang weak? I prefer to confirm MSS if we have a body closing above. But I think in a higher time frame, we can consider a market structure shift if it is only a week, since it is a higher time frame. Because if you look down on a lower time frame, you can see a body closing above that market structure shift line. IDM. What is IDM? You mean inducement? The live stream is delay. Why is it the live stream is delay? Sorry guys. It's my first time here on YouTube. Maybe in the setting, the stream delay, I did not see that. On the next slide, I'll go ahead and check that settings. Alright, let's see for OR. This one, what do you mean, sir, inducement? This one? Where is it? So this one, you're talking about this one. Last one after the markers with breakout structure. Here. So you're talking about this one here. Yes, we can take this, since we are in a higher time frame, we can treat this as a market structure shift to look for another entry. And we can target this high, this breakout structure line here. This high, we can target this if we can find a clear setup around this area. Because this is a valid market structure shift. The delay in the YouTube is so long. I could not answer directly your question since the delay is so long. I think it's 5 minutes stream delay. 1 minute. 1 minute stream delay. Time pass. Where do you mean? Just say yes here if this is what you mean on this arrow. October 26, 5 p.m. This one. So this one here, you mean this? You can take this as a chalk or a market structure shift. Yes, because if you go down to lower time frame here, just like I said, this is a market structure shift here on a lower time frame. Because in a 4 hour time frame, looking at these two candles, this indecision candle, has we have here an bullish engulfing candle here. So that's a valid market structure shift on a lower time frame. Look, 1 hour here, market structure shift, 15 minutes time frame, market structure shift again. And we take pullback as inducement. For me, no, sir. This, since we don't have any supply below, or a demand below, we could, what do you call this? Where pullback do you? After that candle, this pullback, can we take this pullback as inducement? I think no, because for me, personally for me, we could take inducement if there is a demand below or a supply above. But in here, we don't see any demand after this pullback or below this pullback. Hmm. So, did I answer your question, bro? Time pass. Did I answer your question? Hmm. Okay, guys. So, let's go ahead and check this GBP USD. So, in this GBP USD, we can say that we are still also on a bullish move on a daily time frame, since we haven't seen a major pullback around this area. But this candle is a strong bearish. We have a strong bearish move here. Is too many bearish candles. And now we are on consolidating here. Still looks like same move with EU. So here we can see a pullback on this last bearish candle. Nope. Liquidity has been swept here. And another liquidity. We are on a consolidating or accumulation phase here on GU. I could not say that we can go higher because we don't have any break of structure here above. So we did not create another higher high here. So see on a weekly time frame. Week high, week low. No. So no clear possible movement here on GU. So in GU, we might see this support line here. We have here these rejections. We might see a liquidity sweep around this area, around below this line here. Because we don't see any bullish move. Unlike on EU, we've created on a daily time frame here. After market structure shift, we have a pullback. This is the high. Then we've created another higher high. So we can say that the market is moving upward. We might see a break in this high, previous swing high, I mean. But on GU, we don't see any higher highs. So we might see on the next days another consolidation phase here. So I don't know where the market is going. Let's look on the 4-hour time frame. Still no. This is demand zone here. It's a mitigated zone. See on the 15-minute time frame. We have here this. Swept this already. Don't have a clear setup on this GU. So this is a possible, if we are looking bullish or if our bias is bullish, we can treat this as our liquidity, this demand area or demand zone. So if we will be base our bias here on EU, since GU and EU are correlated pairs, we can look for the setup around this demand, if I'm correct. But I don't see a clear move on GU at this moment. So you can see here, market structure shift. We are in a pullback. We haven't break this previous swing high here. So I can't say that we are now on a bullish on GU. Unlike here, EU. Market structure shift, pullback, break of structure, pullback. So we might see a break of structure above this swing high here. On the following days, targeting this supply zone. Was liquidity sweep here. Another liquidity sweep. No, it's not clear. If this moves bearish, we can see another sweep here on this support line. Then before it goes up. Once this low here breaks or taken, we can say that GU will continue to go down. So that's my analysis here on GU. This is the last swing low. Swing low. Okay, so on GEO, is it clear how I map this GEO since I don't have a clear possible move here on GEO? I don't have a clear bias. So let's wait for the next following days. We look at this 4 hours. This 4-hour demand. No, because if we treat this as demand, we need to break this first. We need to have a market structure shift around this area or this area. Let's see if we have a market structure shift here on a lower time frame. Yes, we have here this market structure shift since on a 15-minute time frame, we have a body candle closing. So this must be an inducement here. Liquidity line. So yeah, it might possible work here. Possible siyang ganyan. Same in EU. If we base our bias on EU. Guys, so you have any question here on GU before we go to our last pair, the gold? So no more question, guys. Let's proceed to gold. Before we go to gold, I would like to show you this DXY. Here, DXY. Like in GU, we are still on the consolidating phase again. If on my previous mapping last week, if this GU goes down, we can see a bullish move on EU and on GU. But if this DXY goes up on this supply zone, we can see a continue bearish move on this EU and GU. So here on gold, guys, already mapped this gold. Hmm. Okay, guys. So here on daily time frame again. Let's start on this daily time frame on GU. I mean gold. So same again. We are here on the first. We have market structure shift. Then break of structure, and another break of structure. And then the price reacted on this demand zone. Daily demand. Then it goes up. So we can say that this movement is unhealthy since we don't see a move like this going up. We might expect a down or a bearish move on this gold on the following days since we have already at our daily supply. So we can see here that we have a rejection on this daily supply. So let's go down to 4-hour time frame. Here the candle still on the 4, I mean, what do you call this, on this supply zone. See if we have here another supply on a 4-hour time frame. No, we don't see a supply because this 4-hour time frame supply is already mitigated. This one. Okay, 15-minute time frame. So here on a 15-minute time frame, guys, we have a sweep here on the first stop on our supply. So if we are going to look for a bearish move, we will wait for it to have a market structure shift around this area, around this line, or internal market structure shift, this line here. Don't need to have this because we don't see a candle closing below this line. But I think since we have a high or a big supply here, I think gold will still go higher inside this supply zone before going down. Thank you, sirs. Thank you, bro. Space to Moonlight for tuning into our live stream today. So by the way, guys, I'm not using my strategy here on gold. Like I'm using in EU and GU. I prefer to trade gold or swing trade or supply and demand since it works really, or it works for me using supply and demand in this gold, trading gold. But I don't use my strategy in EU or the kill zone in gold. So I don't know, gold has a different movement compared to our major forex pairs. So guys, so that's all for today. I'll on our next live, I'll adjust my, what do you call this, stream delay, so that I could answer um quickly as possible in your questions, because I've seen that you already asked a minute ago, and then my answer is delay by a minute again. Thank you for tuning in again, guys, to our live mapping. So don't worry, this live will be uploaded on this YouTube. So feel free again to watch this live charting or our live Forex insights for the upcoming days or for the upcoming week from October 30 tomorrow until November 3 on EU, GU, and Gold. Sir, any playlist or channel to recommend or PDFs? ICT 2017 mentorship. That's all I watch here on YouTube. I did not watch 2021 or 2022, since it still has a same, do you call it, same entry model. ICT just named that Turtle Soup, Silver Bullet, Judas Wing, but still it's in the kill zone. I think 2017 mentorship of ICT is good. Yeah. By the way, guys, before we end this live, okay, forget. I'll just post it again or on the next YouTube video. You're welcome, bro Darwin. You're welcome. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you for tuning in again on our live. Hope we have a profitable week again ahead of these days. Good luck on our entries on the following days, guys.